Let's get ready with me for Barbie movie. It's your beauty fairy here. Gonna watch Barbie with like bunch of other Barbies. I feel like nak buat makeup yang I biasa buat. Spice things up je. Cover my scars or dark spot. Foundation. You guys just tengok je ke I buat makeup. Since I pakai spek kejap lagi nak tengok movie and also nak drive, I tak letak banyak sangat produk dekat bahagian hidung. Quickly do my eyebrow. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut sebab I nak fokus. I wanna finish up quickly. Concealer. Set the base. My nude lipstick. Not this time. Oh my god. Okay, we pretend that didn't happen. This is the finished makeup look. Okay, bye.